If you're looking for RV upgrade ideas for RV living, then check this out. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aron with retailsrv.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. No matter how much you love your RV, there's always room for improvement. Home improvement, that is. Even today's top-of-the-line coaches that can benefit from more than one of these simple improvements. So let's get to it. If you're looking for a simple and easy project for your door of your RV, try adding one of your favorite quotes or artwork in vinyl to the inside of your door. This will add a personalized touch to your RV that others can share along with you. If you're looking to create a dramatic accent to your RV, then peel and stick wallpaper might just add the creative splash that you're looking for. This project is easy to do and can be completed in just a few hours and will dramatically improve the overall look and feel of your RV's interior. One of the simplest, affordable, and impressive DIY projects that can be done in your RV is adding a backsplash to your kitchen or bathroom. Backsplashes have quickly become an eye-catching feature common in most modern RVs. Another simple and impressive DIY project that can be done in a weekend is the removal of your RV's carpet and installing vinyl flooring. By replacing the flooring in your RV, it will provide the space with an instant update that will modernize it with a magnificent, newly remodeled look. One of the most popular RV projects is to paint the cabinets in your RV. Painting the RV cabinets can be a fun adventure for the entire family. Keeping these cabinets looking brand new and sparkling will add to a grand statement to your motorhome, giving you that at-home feeling while on the road. As you've seen in this video, we have given you some creative ideas for RV upgrades. This will guarantee to make even your nicest RV even better. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, making your RV your own. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make that RV your home away from home. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today. And if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to retailsrv.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.